Welcome back to Auto Show Cars. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated luxury coupes of the year, the 2025 Audi A5. Audi has taken refinement to the next level, blending performance, technology, and style into a package that's hard to ignore. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Audi A5 retains its iconic coupe silhouette but now features a sharper, more aggressive front fascia. The signature single-frame grille is wider and more pronounced, complemented by redesigned matrix LED headlights that enhance both aesthetics and functionality. The sculpted body lines flow seamlessly to the rear, where sleek OLED taillights and a subtle spoiler give the car an athletic yet elegant stance. Moving to the heart of the A5, the engine. Under the hood, Audi offers a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that delivers around 261 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch transmission, the A5 offers a perfect balance of power and efficiency. The legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system comes standard, ensuring optimal traction and stability in all driving conditions. And for those craving more performance, the S5 variant bumps the power output significantly, making it a true thrill on the road. Stepping inside, the 2025 Audi A5 impresses with a luxurious, tech-forward cabin. High-quality materials, from fine Napa leather to open-pore wood trims, create an upscale atmosphere. The fully digital 12.3-inch Virtual Cockpit Plus now features improved graphics and customization options, keeping essential driving information at your fingertips. At the center of the dashboard, a stunning 11.6-inch touchscreen infotainment system runs Audi's latest MMI software, offering seamless navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Comfort is key, and Audi ensures a premium experience with heated and ventilated front seats, ambient lighting, and an available Bang & Olufsen premium sound system. The cabin is also designed with acoustic glass, making for a quiet and refined drive, even at high speeds. Safety remains a priority, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system providing confidence behind the wheel. Audi's latest driver assistance technology makes highway driving effortless while enhancing overall security. The 2025 Audi A5 is a masterpiece of engineering, blending performance, luxury, and innovation. Whether you're looking for an everyday luxury coupe or something with a bit more edge, the A5 delivers on every front. That's it for today's review. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Audi A5. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive content. See you in the next video.